Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how gradient color background if I can CapCut PC. So first you are just going to add your photos or videos you'd like to edit and remove the background. Go to cutout, select chroma key, customize or auto cutout. I'm just going to add I'm just going to use the chroma key, select color picker and select color to remove and it's just for string and shadow. Never done, we're just going to go to basic and scroll down and select style in the canvas, right, and scroll down until you find the gradient color effect. For the hairs, select this one that you like and resize. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please type in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.